What's up, everyone? Just reassembling my Xbox 360 controller, getting the triggers on now. The easiest way is to put them on first and then put the spring on and just push it down. Gotta kind of push a little hard. Thankfully, these controllers are more sturdy than you would realize. Pop this back in there. Here we go. Got the controller all hooked up. Got the buttons in there, got the pads on. Make sure you put these things back on for sure. Drop this in there. Got some black brand new analog sticks on there. And remember, you always want to get these vibration packs in the right place. You don't want a cord snagging. Try and just have them fold over the circuit board to make sure you got plenty of room. Okay. I like to give it one last look on the bottom before I start piecing it together. Oh, this broke right there. Should still work fine now. Be on the inside of the controller. Don't matter if a little piece is broken on the inside to me. I can't see it as long as it holds fine, right? I think you guys are going to like this little color scheme I got on this thing. If I could keep it together to put back together, that is. It's a little tricky. Sometimes you got to force these things back together real quick. Alright, slide it in. Oops. Gotta get the analogs, or what am I doing? There we go. There we go. Get the triggers in it first. Actually, it's probably better to get the little battery charger. There we go. There we go. Damn it. So you gotta push it in there, huh? There we go. There we go. Jeez, that took forever. Thing wouldn't slide in. You got to make sure these things fit just perfect before you get them on. You don't want nothing not fitting. Ugh, there we go. May have to put the screws in, but I think it looks pretty good overall. Got the buttons, black D-pad, black analogs, black front, start and back, black triggers, black bumpers. Got it all. Time to put these screws back in. What am I doing? There we go. Got my Torque 8 screwdriver.